Tonight, for anyone suffering from anxiety, your gut may be to blame for that nervous feeling.
Our Chief Health Editor, Dr. Partha Nandi, joins us now to explain, and I have a bad feeling about this here.
You're making us anxious.
Yeah. Of course, I'm making them all nervous. So when you're nervous, you often feel it in your gut. Now, a new study looking at gut bacteria and anxiety-like behaviors in mouse found a new level of communication. Trillions of these microbes in the gut could influence microorganisms. The microorganisms are biological molecules found in certain parts of the brain. Now, researchers reported that the mice that were bred in germ-free conditions were more likely to suffer with abnormal anxiety, depression, and have social and cognitive issues. So really interesting there.
Very interesting, but how does it help us?
So, Heather, mice and humans, very different, right? So, but dysfunction in microorganisms may contribute to stress-related psychiatric disorders and neurodegenerative disorders. So scientists may one day be able to treat psychiatric disorders by influencing the microorganisms in the brain. So more research is needed before any kind of this treatment can be used. So we still need to find out how the gut microbes influence these things in the brain.
So that's really almost like the butterfly feeling you get or something like that. So, okay, what can you do then if you suffer from anxiety?
Absolutely. So occasional anxiety is a normal part of life, right? And there's some lifestyle changes you can make besides these microorganisms. So my prescriptions: first, get enough physical exercise. It'll not only lift your mood, but also is a powerful stress reducer. Also, when you feel anxious, take action. Go for a walk, try visualization techniques or meditation. Also, learn what triggers your anxiety, and this helps me a lot. Keep a diary to help identify what's causing your stress. And lastly, don't turn to substances like alcohol or drugs. They'll only make it worse.
So how do you know if it's time to really seek professional help with something like this?
Really important here. It's important to not suffer in silence. Please get help if you feel worried. Fear and anxiety is getting out of control. If you're having any suicidal thoughts, if you feel depressed or it interferes with your daily life, talk to your doctor or a mental health provider. Really important. But the stuff in the gut is really interesting. In the future, I think it can make a big difference.
All right,
Dr. Nandi, thank you so very much. By the way, if you have a question for the good doctor or a health concern, you can email him at drnandi@wxyz.com, or you'll find him on Facebook and Twitter. He lives there practically.